South Texas homeowners, listen closely. If you're getting a roofing estimate, here's how to know if it's honest, accurate, and truly in your best interest. First, you should see photos or videos of your actual damage. Any roofer who tells you to replace your roof without proof is a red flag. Second, the estimate should list materials clearly, not just give you one VIG number. You should see shingles, underlayment, ridged caps, ventilation, and labor all broken down. Third, they should talk about Texas code requirements. 6 nails per shingle, proper ventilation, drip edge, these matter in our heat and wind. Fourth, they should explain repair versus replacement. A real professional shows what can be fixed and what must be replaced and why. Fifth, warranties matter. Good roofers offer manufacturer and workmanship warranties and explain both. Sixth, for insurance claims, your roofer should walk through your insurance estimate line by line. If they can't explain it, they can't advocate for you. Seventh, you should be given options. Different shingle grades, ventilation upgrades, and gutter choices, not just one offer. And eighth, they should answer questions clearly, with zero pressure. Good contractors educate, bad ones rush you. So here's the rule. If your roofer can't explain your estimate in plain English in under 3 minutes, something is wrong. For a clear, honest, no-pressure estimate, Steel Country is here to help. Click the link or send us a message. We'll take care of the rest.